What's good, fam? Today we will learn how to draw a torus with a sliding hand. A torus is a geometric donut that represents an electromagnetic field. Start with the center line and draw two parabolas on either side. Draw a horizon line from the vertex. Add a more narrow parabola from the vertex. Draw partial ellipses lightly between the curved lines. Start to recreate the same curved pillar shape around the horizon line. Add curved lines that cross to perceive like you're inside of a sphere. Add extra lines between your curves to divide the spacing. Cut the space in half one more time with short line segments. We are going to add hexagons on the whole pillar. Make sure the tips of the hexagon are following the curves of the partial ellipses. The hexagons will be slightly bigger in the middle and taper off towards the edges. Create guidelines from the first row of hexagons for spacing. Continue this pattern all the way up. Mirror this on both sides. This is a painting I made with hexagonal toruses depicting my first psychedelic experience. I was shown that our hearts create electromagnetic fields and our whole body looks like this as an energy field. The torus is also spinning energy in a vortex which can be drawn from the first grid. Draw the torus one more time. Connect the corners of the panels on the center pillar and you will start to see the twist form. The twist changes as you move from below the horizon to above it. From the vertex, connect the corners of your panels and join the line with the curve on the pillar. The next lines are going to follow this line closely, then get more spaced out before connecting to the pillar. Do this on both sides. Outline your curved lines to make the illusion pop. Once I understood how to add the spiral, I made a new torus painting with warped hexagons. This painting is also a depiction of my first psychedelic experience where I was out of body staring at the geometric form of my body. Thanks for drawing with me and I'll see you in the next tutorial.